Welcome to 154B Westview Street in Scarborough, a beautiful coastal home just around the corner from Pizarca. I'm James Penglis from Vivian's Real Estate. I'd love to show you through. Built in 2023, this home is finished with the kind of detail you only get when someone truly cares about the result. Downstairs opens up with warm timber floors, a sleek designer kitchen with strip lighting, heaps of storage and seamless flow straight out to the outdoor area. Every detail in here has been done properly and it shows. Upstairs, you'll find a generously sized retreat, 2 secondary bedrooms, both equipped with dual sliding mirrored robes, a huge second bathroom with a full-size tub, and the master bedroom. The master suite is so big, it feels like its own retreat. A huge walk-in robe, a beautifully finished ensuite, and your own private balcony with a clear view straight out to the beach and the sunset. It's the kind of spot you'll never want to leave. If you're looking for a modern coastal home with space, style, and a view you'll brag about for years, this could be the one for you.